Hello, 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 mathematicians. Okay, continuing on with our @standard worksheets. Same thing we've been doing. The numbers have changed, so making sure to pay attention to the add-ins and finding the matching pictures. So you can keep doing different patterns if you want, or doing rainbow, choosing colors to make your lines. So you can get those colors out now, but for you at least need one color you decide for showing your number line or your matching line, and you also need your purple for continuing to write out the sum. So finding the answer to the number sentences that they have here. Okay, we know how to do that one. The next one is our number line worksheet. So getting our number line worksheet out and our math, our numeral writing marker or crayon. We are going to be using the number line to help us count back. Sometimes when we're counting backwards in our heads, we get mixed up with numbers. So having a number line in front of us is nice. You can go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Counting back. Okay, so all of these are subtraction number sentences. So let's look at the first one together. The number that we start with, our minuend, is 16. So let's find 16 on our number sentences. Point to 16. Right, 16. Seeing 16. Okay, and now 16, we need to go backwards. Our subtrahend is 3, right? So 16 minus 3. So we start at 16, then we go 1. See how I made kind of like an air hop? It's like a bunny hop. 16, 1, 2, 3. My pencil landed on 13. So I bunny hopped across. I went 16, 1, 2, 3. I subtracted 3 and I got to 13. Let's see if I can get closer. One more time. 16, 1, 2, 3. You can just go across, or you can go 16. Where's my 16? 16, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, 3, and 13. You can also check with your fingers. You can say 16, 15, 14, 13. 13. So using our marker, crayon, pencil, writing in our numeral, we figured out that 16 minus 3 is 13, right? So always double checking that you start on your number line with the first number, your minuend. For number 2, your minuend is 9, right? So finding 9 on your worksheet. Okay, and I'm going to try and, let's see, 9 minus 6. I was going to try and do my hands at the same time, but I think it's just going to be too much. So starting at 9, double checking you're at the 9. Now we need to go backwards 6. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I landed on the 3. Let's try again, starting at 9, going backwards 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I landed on 3 again. Double checking using our fingers. 9, taking away 6. So 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. See that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers. 9 take away 6 is 3. Okay, so continuing to try using your number line to answer these subtraction number sentences. And then you can double check on your fingers, but it's important to learn this tool because this is a really good tool for number thinking. Okay, the next worksheet is the same exact thing, continuing with our subtraction with some larger numbers, but it's okay. You just make sure that you find the minuend first and then subtract the number that is the subtrahend. Okay, so continuing that on this worksheet. And then this worksheet, we're going to try using our dimes with this worksheet. So this is skip counting. Oh, remembering to write your name at the top. Skip counting. We're skip counting by tens. Let's try practicing skip counting by tens all together. Starting with the 0, we go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Right, 100. Let's use our dimes to practice skip counting. So each time you find the first, so we're starting with, we have 0 over here. We're starting with, what's the first number that we're going to start with? Counting by tens, right? So our first number we're going to start with is 10. So you would cut out your numbers at the bottom and then glue 10. But what I want you to do is have your cents out next to you. We could write next to these numbers, we could write our cent sign. I'm going to do it with my purple. This is a purple math symbol. We could write 30 cents, 80 cents, 60 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, and so on. So thinking, how could I show 30 cents with my dimes? How many dimes would I need? Because we know dimes are 10 cents. 3, right? 3 dimes. That shows me 30 cents. If you have your dimes close by, I only had you get out 5, but this goes up to 100. So why don't you get out 10 dimes if you have them around. I forgot to tell you at the beginning, so if you don't, that's okay. Try and find 10 dimes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I have 10 dimes. So I'm going to continue with my cent sign. 50 cent, 10 cents, 90 cents, 70 cents, 100 cents. Okay. I feel like I did those. Yep. Writing my C with a line through it. Okay, so I have my cent signs. First, I need to find 1 dime. How many cents is 1 dime? 10, right. Okay, so finding my 10. So you would have these already cut out and ready to go. Gluing 10 first. Now, I need 2 dimes. 2 dimes is 10, 20. So now I would look for my 20 and glue my 20 after my 10. So continuing all the way through to 100. So using your dimes, try and use your dimes and think, okay, first I need 1. 1 is 10 cents. Next I need 2. 2 is 10, 20 cents. Next I need 3. 3 is 10, 20. I'll let you figure that out on your own. Okay, everyone, that is our last, that's our last at family worksheet. So I will see you tomorrow for the rest of our worksheets for this week. Bye, everyone. Nice work today.